cut me open when you carry me. You lose a part of you when we become a whole. That's more than anyone has ever done for me. And at the very least I owe my mortal soul to my mom. Been with me since day one. And sure, we've had our ups and downs, but without her I'd be nowhere now. My mom gave me away at 18. Gave me away as a sad young thing, watching somebody else sing the old songs I sing. But I love you, Mom, for who you are, what you are. Can't believe it took me this long. I love you, Mom. I was so attached that morning, came into this world adorning the only woman before me, the only woman who owned me. And Mom was mad, but she was careful, and separated me and my hair full. And all the while she gave a fearful smile.
Greetings from Wonderland. Happy birthday, my sister. You look like a very young flower. Kasla kang not at the age of 65. You are still at the age of 45. 20 years the differensya na. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday with your children and your apo.
Happy birthday! Gorgay! Sunod. Umanta pa ya, at taga, puntok ta, di mabawasan na yung focus mo. Yeah. Oh, look at our newly arrived car. Very nice. We are going to use it to Makunako. Fly. Sunod. Ako seryoso sa beauty. Magbakbit ka. Nga. Damat. Natibong kabakas ka? Happy birthday again. And again. May you have a joyful day and many more birthdays to celebrate. Nya!
Happy birthday! Tapos kung mata, amot pa, birthday ang bumali sa Vietno, ang gawin misyon. Umawag-bawat kata, awad ng mukha, iwaros ang kani anaya. Salamat. Sunod at kaamin impain pagsayaatan ni na Jumansaon. Tumanam na maok ay awad aus pasuruna. I win the baby win. Kanas disunod, adik ala kung kumtok ta. Makaanan he nuka. Anjo biyag no. Nuka, pansin ka umini-inis pala wa kanas siya niya ngay ngaron. Ugali da problema. Nga na biyag. Uitat da problema. Ken lastly, ilang buspet adik kung madmoren nuka. Sikat na kaasi, da kumtok, kanas siya sunod. Salamat, amot pa, bindisyonan siya ka. Yung maliwin, naanos ka niya, kanas siya sibaga. Gege.
Happy birthday! May you have more birthdays to come. Yung regalo ko sa iyo ay sapat na yung sinasabi nilang mas bata ka raw tignan kaysa sa akin. Although, mas matanda ka ng 5 years. Pero okay lang yun. Bayaran mo ako doon sa utang mo. Happy birthday, Gaya.
Hello, celebrator, birthday celebrant, Gaya. Congratulations, reaching the age you look 42. Enjoy your apo, your children, your vacation, your retirement, and of course, we'll enjoy also cake here.
Happy birthday, Lola Gaya. May your special day be filled with joy, laughter, and love. Wishing you good health, happiness, and countless blessings. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola! I miss you. I hope you have a lot of strength to come to Philippines soon. I love you. I hope you get many blessings.